right, happy Friday, 7th grade. In this video, slides that have a star, you need to copy in your notebook, okay? If they don't have the star, you don't need to put it in your notebook. So go ahead and put order of operations, put down today's date, because if you forget to upload this to Google Classroom, you can come back to May 7th in your notebook and take a picture of it. So we're going to talk a little bit about order of operations. We're going to do 2 problems, and then you're off to your quiz, okay? So here we go, order of operations. All right, it's the rules that tell us what sequence or what order to solve a problem with different operations. Okay, so it's the process. For instance, all right, we're going to solve this one day. But here we got parentheses and we got exponents, which we haven't talked about yet. But we'll get there. Okay, we'll talk about what order those go in. All right, and so yesterday we talked about, all right, we had addition or subtraction with multiplication and division. What would we do first? We did these 2 yesterday, so we're not going to do these again. All right, but we're going to do some new ones. So here we go. All right, if there is multiplication and division with addition and subtraction, we'll first do all the multiplication and division. Once all the multiplication and division is done, then we'll do the addition and subtraction. All right, and then still working left to right. So that means if there was 2 multiplication signs in a problem, we'd first do the one all the way to the left and then go to the right. All right, so let's do 2 examples now. So here you go, first one, 21 minus 30 divided by 3 times 2 plus 5. All right, so we're first looking for the multiplication and division. Looks like I have both of them right here, but we're working left to right. So that means we're going to start with the 30 divided by 3 because we're going to be working left. So we got to do this, and then we'll go to the right. So 30 divided by 3 is 10. And now we're going to bring everything else down. So the 21, subtract. All right, the times 2 plus 5. All right, we still got multiplication and division. Here's our multiplication, so we'll do this. So 10 times 2, well, that is 20. So we've got 20, now we'll bring everything else down, so we'll bring the 21 minus plus 5. And now we're done with the multiplication and division. Now we're going to do addition and subtraction. And we're working left to right. So here we go. We'll go 21 minus 20. That will equal 1. And then we'll bring down the plus 5. And 1 plus 5 is 6. All right. So the order is really important, guys. Notice if we did the 20 plus 5 first, that would give us 25. And then it would be 21 minus 25. That would give us a negative number. So it's important that we start with the left and go with the right. Okay. So we're going to do one more, and then you'll have your homework. So here we go. Number 2, go ahead and stop the video. Try this one out on your own. All right, let's check your problem. So we're starting with multiplication and division. No division, but we have 2 multiplications. We're going to do the one to the left. All right, we got to do the one to the left first. So 8 times 2, 16. Now let's bring everything else down. Okay, now we still got a multiplication, right? So now we'll do the one to the right. All right, 4 times 3, that's going to be 12. Let's bring everything else down. Okay, now we got 2 subtractions. So we're going to start with the left, go to the right. So 30 minus 16, I got to do some scrap work over here. So 10 minus 6 is 4. 2 minus 1 is 14. So here we go with 30 minus 16 is 14. And then we'll do minus 12. And 14 minus 12 is 2. Okay, so our answer to this one is 2. Notice again, this is really important that we go left to right, because just think if we did, this is incorrect, but if we did the 16 minus 12 first, well, 16 minus 12 is 4. And then if we did 30 minus 4, that would give us 26. And this would be incorrect because our answer is 2. All right, so we got to pay real close attention to detail, guys. All right, go ahead and do your quiz. Be sure you turn this into the Google Classroom.